It's my first time doing a live video where I come online and I show stuff, and that is basically because it's afternoon and the power suppliers in my area decided to give us lights in daytime, because usually I work during the midnights on days when they give us lights, but this day they actually like gave us lights in the daytime. And I said, what can I do with these lights, because I'm done with most of the projects that I have to do. These were some of the projects that I completed, I think, was it last week, right? So I was able to complete this last week. I was also able to do this org bag last week as well, and I completed this one overnight today. So this was a prototype for a particular bag design that I was going to make for a client. So I basically just completed this one overnight, and this as well. So this was the main bag. The person wanted it in maroon color, and I guess this is maroon because I didn't know what maroon color was. Hi Pinkles, thanks for joining in. I didn't know what maroon color was until I had to make this bag. So I sent her the short clip of what the bag looked like, and she was so excited. I'm like, oh, I did this. Personally, I'm always scared of, I don't know, maybe it's a confidence issue, like when I make bags for people to send it to them. Basically, I guess that is why I'm mostly focused on training rather than making bags for sale, because I'm always in my head, would this person like it, is it up to standard, blah 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 and all like that. But when it comes to training, so what I want to do on this video, on this live video today, is I want to pad this bag, because that was why she actually like gave it to me to do for her. She wanted it. Thank you, because you're doing a really great job. Thank you. I appreciate the nice comment. Thank you. So she wanted me to pad this bag, right? She wants it to stand. So this one that is bendy, so it's an unstructured bag. The only thing that is inside this bag really that is making it to still look firm like this is what do they call it? Gum stay. Okay, so it was this gum stay that I used, and that was one I used to quit the front and the back. Then I also added the stay to the panel, to the gusset as well. So it is just this gum stay that is in the bag right now, but she wanted it to be more structured, to look more like a structured bag. So what I'll be doing on this video now is, this is the lining. So I've not like completed the lining, so this is how I'm going to, the channel I'm going to use to pad the bag. So I've also cut the padding that I want to use for the bag. So I was able to draft it out. I think I used the pattern. Where did I throw it? I just packed the pattern now. I don't even know where I threw it. Okay, it's here. So this was the pattern for the bag, right? And so I've used it to draft out the stiffener I'll be using to stabilize the bag. So here I'll just gum, and you could watch me gum, or how I'm going to like pad the bag so that it stands. So it's now going to look more like a structured bag rather than the one that is here. So there's something wrong with my gum, really. Somebody gave me OT that if you put petrol in your gum, it's going to become more kinikon and all like that. I said, let me try it. That was how I went to overdo. I shall overdid it. Now gum is looking like a juice, like fruit juice. So I had to mix the gum with the one that is not diluted. So this is energy, while this is OCI. So I'll just mix the both so that it is more effective and it does not waste my time. Right. I think I will need more. It's so exciting. This is my first live, and like I said, it's because NEPA gave us lights in daytime. Even me myself, I'm shocked that there is light during the day. I'll be looking at the lights. I'll be so sleepy because I've been awake since 12 a.m. joined the Hallelujah Challenge, then I was working on the 2 bags. So I was so sleepy this afternoon, but looking at the lights, I'm like, these lights cannot waste. What can I do with it? So let's just do this. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so let's make it more about the bag that I'm trying to fix. So I'm just going to spread the gum over the paper board. So I'm using it's a thicker cardboard sharp, but it's not as thick as some other cardboards that we have in the market. But this is good enough. This is the thickest I use, by the way. So basically apply gum on the board. I could come on live like this like all the time, because it's boring working alone, and like just working alone trying to create videos. It's crazy, man. I wish I had done this before so that this could be fast. So these are some of the things that when we are doing tutorials